Hi everyone! In this video, I will teach you how to delete a card in Trello. Start by going to the main page of Trello. If you don't know how to access this page, simply click on the Trello logo in the top left corner. Right there. Once you are on this page, start by selecting the board from which you want to delete a card. In this case, I will go ahead and select this board. Open it up and this is how it should look like. Now just select the card that you want to delete, open it up, and you're going to see a lot of options. But you don't see the delete option, so this is going to be which one to look for. Look for the one that says archive. It has a shortcut key letter C right there. So if I click on this one right now, it will give you the option to delete right now or restore right here. However, I'm going to show you something really awesome. If I go back right there, that card will not be on my board anymore. However, you can find the archive items on the upper left corner, 3 dots right there. Select archive items, and this is going to be the card. In this option right there, you have the restore and delete as well. However, let me just show you the thing earlier. Let me just restore this. Go to the board right there. And as promised, if I click on archive, click on delete, now I have the option to permanently delete it from this point on. And that's it. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.